Hello stalkers, welcome back. Markets have just now closed. This is the daily chart of Arcan or M-Steel. Many a times it happens that when a stock have already made a big move, we regret not buying right at the bottom, which is totally fine. Say for example, if Emaar have already made a big move to the upside, then there is Burjeel, then there is IHC, then there is Aldar. There are many stocks in a stock market. So keeping an eye on each and every stock is not possible. You cannot buy each and every stock right at the bottom. This is quite impossible. That is the reason you have to keep an eye on few stocks or limited stocks, say for example 2 or 3 maximum. You can keep an eye on Arcan, you can keep an eye on Emaar Properties, Presight, and then according to your plan or your analysis, when they make the desired move, this is the time that you have to enter right at the bottom so that you grab the big move. So in case if there is a stock by the name of Mathak, it have moved already up, you should not have any regrets because it's not in your trading plan and you did not have any analysis for it. Your plan is to keep an eye on these 3 stocks. If they make a move, you will enter right at the top and make good money. So do not feel any regrets if the stock have already moved. You can plan for the next move. Say for example, this is the daily chart of M-Steel Arcan as I mentioned. Previously we know this zone was resistance. So I started stocking this stock right at the resistance level. Let me highlight, this is 1.38 area. Previously when it came at this zone, it got rejected. We can see good selling pressure right into this zone. It made a double bottom right here. This is buyer's territory. And now we can see it's following this trend line. Also today's candle is very impressive. Many of you asked me if M-Steel is good for a buy. Yes, it is. We can see it made a huge move. Volumes were crazy right on this candle. Resistance is taken out. And as you know, when the resistance is taken out, it usually comes back for a retest. What we want to see after a retest is successful buying pressure again. It means a green candle. Now you can safely place your stop loss just below the low of this candle. When you see good buying pressure with a bullish candle, you can target slowly and steadily this resistance area that is somewhere between 1.46 to 1.48. So this is a strong resistance area. In case if you have already entered or if you are planning to enter at this zone, you have to target 1.46 to 1.48. Well, and then slowly and steadily, if the market is still bullish, if you are still holding your trades, let your profit run. 1.60 is next major hurdle. So this is how you stock the stock. Keep an eye how it is performing at resistance, how it is performing at support, what is the trend, volumes, etc. etc. This is exactly what I teach in my detailed technical analysis course. If you are interested, link is in the description box. Also, I will share my WhatsApp number. You can text me. I will send you the details. There is another stock that is looking very interesting. That is Q Holding. I had mentioned previously about Q Holding. It's at a very interesting level. Do not follow the spikes. This can be fake. As we can see previously, those who entered right at the top, there must be losses. And many of the traders, when it came down, it did not sustain the gains. They must have sold around 2.43 or 2.40 area. Now, interestingly, this zone is a support area for Q Holding. We can see this bullish candle right into our support zone. This is another indication that yes, buyers are still active and now they are protecting this level. As I keep saying, it is also following this trend line. Today, we can see another solid green candle after some correction. That is, after 3 days of correction, we can again see buying happening. This is again a good indication that Q Holding is now ready to go higher and trend have reversed. So Q Holding is also looking very bullish for coming week. This is how you stock the stock. You do not buy with a FOMO that okay, if I don't buy it here, I will miss the trade and it will go higher. Most of the time what happens is when you plan to buy a stock after it have made a big move, you try to buy or catch the move right at the top. Unfortunately, what happens, those who are in FOMO, the stock reverses and it starts to come down. This shows them some losses and now they are in panic. So even when it moves a little bit up, they want to come out with minimum loss. Instead of holding the trade or planning it accordingly with a proper stop loss, they exit their positions in loss, and now when they see it's going up again, they regret they sold it early. So guys, please be patient. Stock market is a place where money moves from impatient people to patient people. There's a lot of money that can be made, provided if you have financial knowledge, you know how to read the charts, and with detailed analysis. So guys, if this video was helpful, do not forget to subscribe. Also smash that like button for me to show your support. Thanks for watching. Keep stocking.